Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. Blessed season of Lent. And in the season of Lent, many of us will be observing fast. And as the church permits 2 small meals and 1 principal meal, which does not include meat, and the 2 small meals which equivalents less than 1 meal, and I have a first suggestion of my snack, which with a drink and with a snack item. The drink is just for a display, but the snack item it's the regular vada or vadai, which is used with besan or chickpea flour. And just follow my way, I will tell you it is going to be scrumptious and you will want to do more again. So it can be eaten with ketchup or just by itself, up to you and how. So without further delay, let's get into the kitchen. But before I go, I invite all new people who are watching this video a warm welcome, and also please do not forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell notification so that whenever I post a new video, you will find that it is useful. This is 100% vegan and plant-based, so let's get into the kitchen without further delay. To make our vada or vadai, which is a simple, it could be called as pakoras as well. Whenever I'm free in my free time, I usually make this for tea. But I realized that during the season of Lent, and especially when we do fasting, there are 2 small meals are allowed, which is less than equal than 1 meal. So for that, I would make the same thing that with this and with a cup of tea or coffee that goes along. So for that, we'll have besan, approximately about half a cup. It is all on your eye measurement as it is. And we will use rice flour, and also we will add some spices. I have some half a teaspoon of Garam Masala, but I'm not going to use all of them, just about 1/4 teaspoon. And also I have asafoetida here, and I'm not going to use all of them, approximately about 1/4 teaspoon. And also I have baking powder, about half a teaspoon, but I'm going to use only a 1/4 teaspoon. And also I have baking soda, which is also a 1/4 teaspoon. And also with that, I'll be adding some turmeric powder, about 1/4 teaspoon as well. We just need a little bit, that's it. And also we will add the salt as per taste. And now we will start mixing them. With a whisk, we will combine all of them together, as you see, and it will incorporate the air into the flour right now. And with this, we will add 1 sprig of curry leaf. You can add as much as you want, or if you want to omit that, you don't like the smell, you can still do it. And I have 1 finely chopped green chili. You can add according to how your spice level could accept it. And I'm also going to add a few, approximately about 1/4 cup of cilantro or green coriander, which brings some extra flavor and also it detox the body. And I also have some finely chopped ginger, as according to your taste. If you want more, you can add more. If you want less, you can add less. And also I have green onion over here. And And you'll be wondering why my hands are going there and here, because I have the ingredients all around. And this is of a quarter onion of a large onion, finely chopped. And with this, using our hands, let us just mix it out. And also we will add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, which brings extra flavor, and also cumin seed, about 1 teaspoon. So mix it up all together, and finally we will mix it with water. And now we will add water a little at a time. Just it becomes a thick dough, because the onions will ooze out water as well, so we do not want it to be too dry out. And if it becomes a little watery, you may add extra flour if you want, and that's what we need. That's all, my dear viewers. We don't need much, and with this I'm going to deep fry them, this vadas. So we will let it sit for a while, and we will preheat the oil, and then we will get into the kitchen. I think our oil is hot enough, so I'm going to try a small bit. Yes. So in this time we can reduce the flame to medium low, or medium, or on a medium high, and from there we will start frying the vadas. I'm using an ice cream scoop, as you can see here, the smallest version. And so they will be frying until, and we will be flipping them in a minute's time. And it's time to be flipped. This is just a simple snack idea, so that when you can have 2 small meals and you can eat this as a snack, which is not filling at all, with 2 and a drink, and that's perfectly fine. And dear viewers, this has already been deep fried, so it's time to be removed. And it's time to add the second batch. I am just doing this for the video, but you can make double or triple the recipe, and on an ordinary day you can make more as you desire. Our second batch is ready. Now it's time to remove. And we will do the final parts. And dear viewers, here's my snack vada for the fast during season of Lent, which is quick, easy, and deep frying. Just a few pieces. Here I have 4 pieces with a cup of coffee, which is, you can do it with milk or without milk, your personal choice. And because here in the coffee store, local coffee store, when you go there, they will ask you how many milk and how many cream. So I would ask you to avoid cream, go with milk. We still need energy when we do for the fasting. So this is not a full meal. This is very light, and with the coffee for the 2 meals, not equivalent to 1 meal. It is supposed to be lesser, and so this is one of my first snack suggestion. And during this fasting time, I will be coming with other snack suggestions as well, which will not involve any sweet, but it will be meatless and it will be pure vegetarian. Basically, I'm going plant-based and vegan, and most of our East Indian cooking involves it's plant-based and vegan. So I hope you'll stay with me and watch all the videos that I am going to be coming up soon. Thank you for watching Friday Friendly Kitchen, and if you are first time coming in and watching, I warmly welcome you, and I also encourage you to follow me by subscribing. I also have a YouTube, this is my YouTube account. I also have a TikTok account, but I'm not very active, and also Instagram account, which I'm not very active, but I only know how to post pictures. So I'm still learning on Instagram. So stay tuned with me, and most of my videos are here on YouTube. So I wish you a blessed season of Lent. Happy fasting for all Christians, regardless from which denomination you come from. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.